Have you ever wondered how the ancient world, devoid of modern technology, managed to create structures of metal that have withstood the test of time? The answer lies in the age-old practice of welding. Today we delve deep into the intriguing chronicles of the welding machine. The story of welding machines begins in the Bronze Age, around 5,000 years ago. Artifacts from this era bear witness to the skills of ancient craftsmen who, with rudimentary tools, managed to join pieces of metal. They did this through a process known as forge welding, which involved heating two metal pieces until they reached a molten state, and then hammering them together to form a strong bond. As we journey forward to the Iron Age, the art of welding saw significant improvement. Blacksmiths, the welding masters of the day, discovered that by introducing carbon to iron, a stronger material, known as steel, could be created. This revelation sparked a revolution in the welding world, giving birth to the process of arc welding. This method used a battery or dynamo to create an electric arc between an electrode and the base material, which melted the metals to be joined. The Industrial Revolution in the 18th century marked a turning point in the evolution of welding machines. Sir Humphry Davy, an English scientist, invented the electric arc in the early 1800s, setting the stage for a new era in welding. However, it was not until the late 19th century that the first patent was issued for the arc welder. The 20th century brought with it rapid advancements in technology, leading to the development of the modern welding machines we see today. The use of gas for welding and cutting metals was introduced, and the invention of the oxyacetylene torch in the early 1900s revolutionized the industry. This was followed by the development of shielded metal arc welding, which used a flux-coated electrode, and the invention of tungsten inert gas welding. The mid-20th century saw the advent of semi-automatic welding, which used a continuously fed electrode. This allowed for faster, more efficient welding. The latter part of the century saw the development of laser beam welding and electron beam welding, which offered even more precision and efficiency. In the blink of an eye, we've journeyed from the rudimentary forge welding of the Bronze Age to the high-tech laser welding of the 21st century. The evolution of welding machines is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge and improvement. In summary, the ancient world laid the foundations for welding, with the Bronze Age's forge welding and the Iron Age's introduction of carbon to iron. The arc welding of the Industrial Revolution paved the way for the modern welding machines of the 20th century. And as we continue to advance in technology and knowledge, who knows what the future holds for the world of welding? Only time will tell. But one thing remains certain: the art of welding, born out of necessity in the ancient times, will continue to shape our world in ways we can only imagine.